Have you ever wondered how new legislation could impact your investments in multifamily real estate? Consider this. Ontario's proposed landlord drug liability law is creating waves among supportive housing providers. Could this be a game changer for multifamily property owners? Welcome to the Multifamily Real Estate Insights podcast. I'm your host, Sandy MacKay. Let's get right to it. Today, we're diving into a controversial topic that has been making headlines in Ontario. A recent article by CBC News highlights a new proposed law that would make landlords in Ontario liable for preventing drug activity on their properties. This legislation, part of Bill 10, aims to enhance public safety by imposing fines or even jail time on landlords whose properties are used for drug production or trafficking. The law has been met with concern from supportive housing providers who fear it could discourage them from housing individuals who are struggling with addiction. Faye Martin, founder of Places for People, expressed her apprehension, stating that the legislation conflicts with her charity's goals and could threaten its survival. Jennifer Van Gennep from Redwood Park Communities echoed these concerns, noting a chilling effect in the sector, with providers preemptively evicting tenants who use drugs. The law stipulates that landlords can defend themselves by taking reasonable measures to prevent drug activity, but the lack of clarity on what constitutes reasonable measures is causing anxiety among landlords. John Fox, a Toronto-based lawyer specializing in affordable housing, emphasized the need for guidance, questioning whether measures like increased CCTV monitoring or monthly inspections might be required. Advocates are urging the government to consider exempting supportive housing from this law, arguing that their work directly contributes to reducing drug activity. Marlene Coffey, CEO of the Ontario Nonprofit Housing Association, hopes for more consultations with the government to bring clarity and address concerns about personal liability and financial implications for nonprofits. While the intent of the legislation is to enhance public safety, it's crucial to consider the potential unintended consequences, particularly for supportive housing providers who play an essential role in the community. The debate continues as stakeholders await further details from the government. Thank you for listening to the Multifamily Real Estate Insights podcast. I'm your host, Sandy MacKay. See you on the next one.